Alright, let's talk about the smartest way to lock down your Metamask, and that's by pairing it with a hardware wallet. If you're holding anything serious, you don't want your private keys living only on your computer or browser. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Grab a hardware wallet, something like a Ledger Nano or Trezor. Both still rock solid. Step 2. Install the Ledger Live or Trezor Suite app and set up your device with a PIN and recovery phrase. Step 3. Open your MetaMask. Go into settings and you'll see an option that says Connect Hardware Wallet. You'll find it here. Press on Add Account or Hardware Wallet and then add a hardware wallet. Here it'll take you to choose which hardware wallet you own. Choose it and press Continue. Then a pop-up will appear that will let you connect your hardware wallet to it. From now on, anytime you send crypto or sign a transaction, you'll have to confirm it physically on the hardware wallet. That means even if someone hacks your browser, they can't move your funds without the device in their hand. So yeah, super simple. Hardware wallet, connect to MetaMask, confirm transaction on the device. That's how you bulletproof your MetaMask wallet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.